Hi everyone. Thank you Global HR community for hosting a discussion on the topic the inner engine of leadership. Most leadership programs teach us how to manage others. A very few teach us how to manage self. I am Pompayya HM, the author of the book The Inner Engine and leadership practitioner. I have spent over 2 decades on the shop floor in operations, in lean, transformational roles. One thing constantly I have been observed that the people break not because of lack of their talent. They break because of lack of their inner clarity, their inner engine running empty. In this webinar, I will be talking about my journey from shop floor to self, to systems, to culture. Come, let's explore how the operational excellence starts from within, a one habit that change the way you lead, a framework that can change and shape a leadership of yours by bringing an alignment between identity, clarity, purpose, and inner discipline. If you are a leader, HR professional, a coach, a mid-career who is aiming for achieving something big on the outside but feeling empty inside, this conversation is for you. Let's come together, explore, connect, learn, grow together. Join me on 21st March at 10 a.m. Kindly register yourself at the link given. Thank you and look forward for a meaningful discussion with you all.